Good morning, everybody. I'm Emma Wright here with the Mulligan Realty Group and RE/MAX Center City with this week's edition of the Market Update. It is a frosty -3 outside today, and we are heading into the final week of November before, well, of course, the Christmas songs are already playing in the stores, but as soon as Halloween's over, that's it. Anyway, I'm going to jump into the numbers right now. We are at 160 new listings this week as compared to 177 last week, so down by 17 this week. And since October, we're down by 117, so since the beginning of October. So that's a fairly important statistic and very common this time of year that inventory numbers would slow down a little bit. This is around the time when sellers are making decisions really to hold off until the new year before listing their property. That being said, if you are thinking of listing right now, then knowing that inventory levels have dropped, it also means that the competition is also reducing. So if you need to list, do think about that. Also, serious buyers come out this time of year. They're not inclined to trudge through 2 feet of snow if they're not serious about buying a home. So you can expect perhaps that the volume of buyers would drop in terms of interest levels, but those that do come to visit your home on a private showing or through open houses are usually more genuinely interested and considered to be more serious buyers at this time of year. Firm but not closed, we have 81, about the same as last week, which was 84. And conditional sales, we are up by, what are we up? 11 at 94 this week compared to 83 last week. So activity happening. Properties are still selling, which is good. People are making decisions about buying a house before the end of the year, which is great. This is if you want to wrap up a transaction and you want to be potentially in your new house still before Christmas, it's totally possible. But people are making decisions. If they're going to buy something before the end of the year, which is great. Price decreases, we are at 85, so 6 down from last week, which is again indicative that we are more in line with market values for prices of properties that are out there. Still, lots of work to do. There is a lot of inventory, although less than last week and certainly less than the beginning of October, but still don't be fooled. If your property is not listed well in terms of price, which is 80% of the marketing, let's not forget, then you need to get a price adjustment in place. If you want to sell your property before the end of the year, do that. Invite buyers by adjusting your price. Don't hold on to your property. Holding on to it means utility costs, property tax costs. If you don't need to wait, then reduce and adjust your price if you are motivated to sell before the end of the year. Anyway, that's it for this week. Buyers, it's still great time to buy. Let's get out there, shop for houses, sell your houses. And if you have any questions about the market and what's going on, we're here on the front lines and happy to help answer any questions we can. It's Emma Wright here with the Mulligan Realty Group. I hope you all have a wonderful week ahead and look forward to connecting. Take care. Bye.